Get rid of bat wings, bra strap back fat with these 6 awesome exercises. If you want to know more, continue watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Keeping It Real with Yogasini, and today is Fitness with Yogasini because why? It's a Monday and we start the week with a fitness workout. The reason I'm sweating so much is because I just did a workout outside in the open at 4 p.m. in Delhi. It's hot, it's sticky, and I've had a great workout. I feel so nice just sweating all my toxins out. Don't you feel nice when you just sweat out all your toxins? Anyhow, before I go on rambling, this exercise is for your back fat, your bra strap fat, and all the fats that you see, the backside, the piche wala. I'll show you. I have some amazing back fat, lower back fat though. There are a total of 6 exercises done 10 times for 3 rounds. Yes, I know it's a little difficult, and I am using 5 kg dumbbells. If you want to know where I got my dumbbells from, I'll put the link in the description. Yes, 5 kg was a little difficult for me. You can try it with a 2 kg, you can try it with a 4 kg, but try it. Do this workout to get rid of that back fat. By the 3rd round, I was literally feeling it. So give it all your best. By the time you reach 3rd round, don't give up. Just go at it. If you think the 5 kg is too tough, go for the 4. But do not give up. Continue doing. Anyhow, no more wasting time. Let's continue with the video. Your workout to get rid of back fat. If you thought that was too easy, increase your weights. If you think that's also too easy, increase your rounds. Like, the sky is the limit. Just do it. And yeah, I post fitness videos every Monday, so if you didn't know what my channel was all about, that's my channel. Do not forget to comment and let me know what other videos you want. I usually do at-home videos. I like spreading fitness without spending any money. This mat was given to me by someone, I do not remember who. The weights I bought, and they're for $1,000. This park is in front of my house. So yes, I like doing workouts which are free, which are less on cost, so that everyone can live a fit life. If you like my videos and if you think this affects you in a certain way, or if you feel this has motivated you to take up fitness as a daily routine, and I'm struggling so much, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I put my fitness videos up. I'm also on the social media under the name Yogasini. I put my fitness videos there as well. You can check them out. And yeah, I hope you all have a lovely day and come back to my channel. Bye.